In this quick review, a compact mechanical keyboard with adaptive haptic feedback enters the spotlight for discerning typists. Its keys offer a whisper-quiet snap while delivering tactile pulses that mimic wire responses without fatigue after long sessions. The keyboard is praised for its hot swappable switches and customizable actuation points that tailor feel to games, coding, and writing. The wireless pairing stays stable across distance, and its battery life outpaces most rivals in everyday office use. For creators seeking reliability and comfort, this keyboard delivers consistent performance, sleek design, and a surprisingly friendly price.